Okay, so I'm just doing a little show and tell with this really cool new product. This is by Purple Hobbies LLC. It's called a blade saver. So this is what it looks like when it's all tucked away. And it's got a strong magnet that just holds it shut. And this is a great way for you using your old rotary blades. It fits a 45mm blade. And this is how you set it up from its storage. Now be careful here, you don't want to cut yourself. And it is a tight squeeze to get it in there. And this is great for if you like to chain piece. Doesn't matter if you quilt or something else. So I've just done a batch of masks. You just pop them right through. And it saves yourself a lot of time as opposed to using scissors or snips. Isn't that quite satisfying? And that's the blade saver. Thanks for watching.